Yeah, welcome to the Freelance Hub. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply for a Telus U.S Rater position. So first of all, I'm going to be starting with how to get a professional CV for the application, how to build a CV from scratch that is going to work for the application. So I'll be showing also the sample of the one I've done previously, and how you can just edit already existing CV, making use of keyboard to paraphrase. So you will have a new CV from already existing CV, and also how to build from scratch with ChatGPT, and how to get free templates for the CV also. So let's get started. So let's head over to ChatGPT. So I'm gonna be inputting the prompt. So here is the prompt I input: create a professional CV to apply for Telus U.S Rater. Apply for U.S Rater with Telus International. So this is the search result that ChatGPT provided. This can also be done making use of Gemini, Google Gemini. So I can still give Google Gemini the same prompt to get me the CV. And it's going to do so. But no problem. This was one I generated to reach out to Telus. My Gmail account is signed up with U.S Rater on Telus International and got hacked. How do I reach out to Telus to change the mail? So Google Gemini is also going to give you the same response, but I'll be making use of ChatGPT. So this is what the prompt generated for us. So professional summary: detail-oriented and analytical professional with X years of experience in related fields, e.g. data analysis, content evaluation, proven ability to assess content quality and relevance based on guidelines, with a strong commitment to delivering accurate and insightful evaluations, exceptional problem-solving skills, and a keen understanding of user experience, seeking to contribute to the success of Telus International as a U.S Rater. So everything the ChatGPT provided here is the qualities that Telus International listed on their website. You can use Gemini as well, like I've said. So this CV now, if you want to apply for AI trading on Outlier, it is the same process you're gonna do, even if it's CrowdGen that's happened. With the same process. So now I will go to my intelligent CV app. That's what I'm gonna use next to fill in the details. So this is intelligent CV. So to get this address now, so I want to apply for let me do Nebraska. So what I'm gonna do is I will head over to for random US address generator. So this is what I'm going to search, random US address generator. So you go to this very website in particular. The website I'll go to in particular. Okay, I made a mistake. Random US address. Forget about generator. So it will bring let me see. I think this is the very website. So this is the very one, random US address by random tools. So I will click Nebraska. So I'll choose the state Nebraska. Nebraska. I will choose Columbus. Here you can generate address based on state, city, and zip code. But if you don't know the city, you want to make use of all the zip code, you can just put Nebraska, then click on generate. I wanted to put Columbus, but let me just generate. So let me make use of the second one. So here now, I'll giving us both phone number and the full address with both house number and everything. So I will copy this very number which it has provided. So I'll make use of the second address, which is the La Vista City in Nebraska. So I will copy the phone number. So there is it. I'll come here, I'll input the number, remove all the underscores and all the brackets. So I'll remove the brackets with the underscores. Then Gmail, you will use the Gmail which I've created with the person's name. But I don't have the other Gmail this person has, a different Gmail which can also work. So I'll put do not call, which is the Gmail I've created. Do not call. Mind you, if you are creating Telus U.S Rater account, it must be Gmail. This website are not adverts. So copy the full address. Come back here and substitute in all of them. So I'm done with this now. So click on save. Education. So you come back to what you've got here. You're supposed to provide education. If there's no education, then we'll move ahead. So this is it, your degree, major degree, university, state and city. So now I'm gonna browse a university that is in La Vista, Nebraska, or any other university in the United States. That's what I'm going to use here. So let me browse now. So I have to come back to this website. So go and browse. University. In Nebraska. I want to put data analytics. Click on save experience. So this is the experience. So I think I'm gonna work with the first experience here. Company name, year to when. So so let me browse. Let me browse tech companies in Nebraska. Tech companies in Nebraska. Bisco Technologies, copy. Computer and support. Come back here, input. Bisco. Data scientists. So we have to start copying this one after the other to substitute. So just be watching what I'm doing. So we are done with this now. Done with experience save. So now come to skills. Analytical, strong analytical and critical thinking skills. One. Proficient in, maybe you can say proficient in Tableau and Power BI, or you could say proficient in Google Sheets, because Telus is working for Google, so we'll try to make use of Google products. So we will say proficient in Google Sheets, so that will be very okay. Proficient in Google Sheet and Microsoft Power BI, something like that. Excellent written and verbal communication. So highlight on this. Detail oriented. Focus on accuracy. Familiarity with search engine evaluation and online content analysis. So we'll come back here now and go to skills. So now come to objective. Detail-oriented and analytical professional with, so we're gonna put like 2 or 3 years experience. We're only to assess content quality and relevance based on guidelines with a strong commitment to delivering accurate and insightful information. Exceptional problem-solving skills and a keen understanding of user experience, seeking to contribute to the success of Telus International. That's a U.S. Rater. I'll copy that from here and impute, delete. So we'll start editing. Hit on save. So this should be all, nothing else. Additional information. Available to start immediately. Available upon request. So let's view our CV. So now we're going to choose any of these templates here. And we'll see how it looks like. So I would like to choose something very simple. Very simple CV. So let me go with this first one. I want something very simple. So this is how the CV will appear like. So download completed. So this is how to get the CV done.